Meet your new Reactor Dashboard, one interface that brings everything together. Start with a single source of truth. The homepage gathers all your assets' core data, from geometry to materials and operational cycles. See what's happening right now, real-time structural health monitoring powered by physics-based insights and sensor data. Click any point in the timeline and get instant structural context for MPT curve and stress. Prefer a cleaner view? The process view is built for you, clean, focused, fully customizable. Monitor flow, inputs, and outputs. See how your reactor's integrity evolves over time with Asset Integrity tab. Dedicated subpages adapt to the metrics you care about, giving you a historical lens with full structural context. And when it's time to make a move, don't guess, simulate via the What If feature. Compare operating scenarios, evaluate startup or cool-down options, and choose the safest, most efficient path forward. Push performance with confidence. Our MPT curve monitoring provides real-time insights that let you safely operate closer to design limits, accelerating your heat-up and cool-down cycles. The dashboard adapts automatically as new zones or SCL paths are added. No extra setup needed. And when something needs attention, system alerts show you what's happening with color-coded warnings and what to do next before it impacts operations. A clearer view, a smarter way to operate. Your Reactor Dashboard, built for better decisions. Akselos.